I'm going to share 7 simple tricks that always work that almost nobody uses. Let's start with the fact that teamwork makes the dream work, and great teammates have strong relationships. A study showed that when someone has higher relationship satisfaction, support, and less conflict, they make more progress on their goals. It's much easier to reach your goals together if you enjoy your time together. So before we dive into the 7 simple tricks to save money together, let's acknowledge that you'll have the most success if your relationship is in a good place. Now for the 7 tips. Tip number 1, set smart savings goals with your spouse. The goal setting process begins with dreaming about what you want to save for before sharing it with your partner. Your savings goals should prioritize your financial health first. Have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved for emergencies. After eclipsing what you need, discuss additional savings goals with one another and prioritize the goal that will make you both the happiest. Use SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "We want to save for a house," try, "We want to save $20,000 for a down payment on a home within the next 2 years." 6 more tips, and we are saving the best for last. Tip number 2, set identity-based goals. While SMART goals are great for defining what you want to achieve, identity-based goals focus on who you want to become. Instead of saying, "We want to save money," say, "We are a couple who prioritizes financial stability." This mindset shift can make saving money feel more like part of your identity and less like a chore. When you identify as savers, you're more likely to make choices that align with that identity, such as cutting back on unnecessary expenses or seeking out deals. Tip number 3, make it automatic. As you can see from the illustration, a common mistake folks make is they spend first and save what is left over. And this begins when your paycheck is automatically deposited only into your spending account. One of the easiest ways to save is to automate the process. Save first, spend second. Automating savings can significantly increase the amount people save because it reduces reliance on self-control. This way, you don't have to think about it and you're less tempted to spend the money elsewhere. Tip number 4, out of sight, out of mind. Sometimes out of sight really is out of mind. Split your deposits and send a portion of your paycheck directly into a separate savings account at a different bank or credit union. This strategy can make it harder to access that money for everyday spending and helps you stick to your savings plan. Tip number 5, find a high-yield savings account. Look for a high-yield savings account to earn more interest on your money. Platforms like Raisin can help find the best rates available. High-yield savings accounts typically offer better interest rates than standard savings accounts, allowing your money to work harder for you. I included in the video description where you can learn more. Tip number 6, celebrate reaching your savings goals. Saving money is hard work, so it's important to celebrate your achievements along the way. Whether it's saving your first $1,000 or hitting the halfway mark to your goal, take the time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourselves. Celebrating your successes can keep you motivated and reinforce positive saving behavior. Tip number 7, start the process on a money date. The best way to kick off your savings journey with your spouse is on a money date. Dr. Megan McCoy explains in our marriage toolkit how couples can structure their money dates. Check out the link in the video description for a free preview of our marriage toolkit, which includes her valuable insights on money dates. Remember, saving for the future is a journey you and your spouse can enjoy together. By setting goals, automating savings, finding the best accounts, celebrating milestones, you'll be able to get on your way to financial stability. Don't forget to start with a money date. Thanks for watching. If you find these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with other couples looking to strengthen their financial future.